Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to talk about generics with three examples. In this part, we can see the use of generics with simple examples. In the next video, we can see the more complex examples of generics. Generics may look complicated, but it is not complicated. Okay, let's talk about the example one here. We have a function with no types of generics. It's a simple function that takes an input and returns that input in an array. Right? Whatever we pass in, we get that in an array. That's what it does, right? Let's call this function. You see that we pass one to this and we get one in an array, right? If I hover, it says that this function takes the input type of any and returns an array of type any. No types, no generics. Let's see the second example with types. Wrap it in an array with number types, and I rewrote another function. Wrap it in an array with string types. These two functions are same, but I say that the input here is of type number and the return type is of number array, and in here the input type is of string and this function returns an array of string. So I have to write the code two times, right? Okay, let's call this function. I have to call this function. I need to pass only number. If I run, I'll get one in an array. I cannot pass strings, right? So this is why we need generics. Generics, with generics you can see that I say that it's of type T, a generic type. It can be anything. You can say G, you can name it anything. I name it T here. What I say here is that this function takes an input of type T and returns an array of type T. Let's call this function now. I call this function with param123, and if I hover this function, it says that this function takes an input of type number and returns an array of number. And I'm calling the same function with type string. I'm passing string params here. You see if I hover, you still get that inference. This function takes string as an input. I mean, it takes the input as of type string and it returns an array of string. With TypeScript, we are not repeating the code. Okay, in the next video, we can see some more complex examples of using generics. Thanks for watching this tutorial.